Have you ever brought home a beautiful plant only to catch your cat chewing on it 10 minutes later? And suddenly, panic. Because what if that plant is actually toxic? Here's the truth. Most plant lovers don't realize. Some of the most popular indoor jungle plants are dangerous for pets. But what if you could have both? A lush, tropical, Instagram-worthy jungle and a home that's 100% safe for your cat or dog. Today, I'm showing you 7 stunning pet-safe houseplants that will completely transform your space without risking your pet's health. And number 4, it looks like a waterfall of green, and pets can literally nap under it safely. If you love plants and you love your pets, you shouldn't have to choose between the two. But the problem is, most plant lists online don't tell you the full story. They show you jungle aesthetics, but they don't tell you what happens if your pet takes a bite. So in this video, we're doing things differently. Every plant you're about to see is non-toxic to cats and dogs, beautiful enough for a jungle-style home, beginner-friendly. Let's build your pet-safe indoor jungle. Plant number 1, Ereka Palm. If you want that instant tropical jungle look, this is it. The Ereka Palm fills your space with soft, feathery leaves that instantly make your home feel alive. It's bright, it's elegant, and, most importantly, it's completely safe for pets. Plus, it actually helps humidify the air, which is perfect if you live in a dry apartment. Pro tip, place it near a bright window and it'll grow into a full jungle centerpiece. Plant number 2, Parlor Palm. Now, if your space is smaller or your lighting isn't perfect, the Parlor Palm is your best friend. This plant has been popular since the Victorian era, and for good reason. It's compact, low maintenance, extremely adaptable, and yes, completely safe for pets. This is the plant you put in your bedroom and forget about, and it still looks amazing. Plant number 3, Spider Plant. This one is fun. The spider plant doesn't just grow, it multiplies. It sends out little baby plants that hang down like a green chandelier. And here's the funny part. Cats are obsessed with it. It's completely non-toxic, but your cat might treat it like a toy. Pro tip, hang it high if you don't want it destroyed in 24 hours. Plant number 4, Boston Fern. This is the one I mentioned earlier, the plant that looks like a living green waterfall. The Boston Fern has long, cascading fronds that create that wild jungle vibe instantly. And yes, 100% safe for cats and dogs. It thrives in humidity, so it's perfect for bathrooms or kitchens. Just imagine this hanging in your home. Soft leaves spilling down, your pet walking underneath. No stress, no worry. Plant number 5, Calia. If you want something more artistic and eye-catching, you need a Calia. These plants have insane patterns, stripes, waves, deep greens, even purple undersides. But what makes them truly special? They move. At night, their leaves fold up, like they're going to sleep, and in the morning, they open again. Completely safe, completely stunning. Plant number 6, Pepperomia. Now let's talk about small spaces. The Pepperomia is perfect if you don't have room for big plants. It has thick, glossy leaves that almost look artificial, but it's very real and very easy to care for. It thrives on neglect, and yes, safe for pets. Perfect for desks, shelves, and cozy corners. Plant number 7, prayer plant. This one feels alive. The prayer plant has bold patterns and red veins that make it stand out instantly. And like Calatheus, it moves throughout the day. Leaves open, leaves close. It adds energy to your space without adding risk to your pets. Plants to avoid. Now, this part is important because some of the most popular jungle plants are actually toxic. Avoid these if you have pets. No pothos, no monstera, no snake plant, no peace lily, and no aloe vera. They may look beautiful, but if your pet chews them, it can cause vomiting, irritation, and serious health issues. Pet-safe setup tips. Even with safe plants, here's how to level up your space. Use hanging planters, place plants on high shelves, give your cat grass as a distraction, and train pets early to avoid chewing.
So here's the truth. You don't need to sacrifice your style to keep your pets safe. With the right plants, you can create a home that feels like a jungle. Lush, calm, alive, and completely safe for every member of your family, including the ones with paws. Which of these plants is your favorite? Tell me in the comments, I'd love to know. And if you want more videos like this, plant care, styling tips, and hidden plant secrets, make sure you hit subscribe, because your dream home, it might just start with the right plant.